evening, my name is Melissa, and tonight I'm going to talk to you about a gap down failure. I know we've talked about this before, however, I'm going to reiterate again that when these gaps fail, when they're supposed to work, and they do a swoosh, which I call a reverse swoosh, they really, really fail. Let's look what happened on this daily chart first. This was a down gap, okay? Gap down here, opening price was 1134. This is a valid gap down, gapped under support, under a bottoming tail, under green bar, under the 200. Okay. I didn't personally like this today, and I'll tell you why. Where it was gapping here, okay, where this was, the location was problematic for me personally, okay, the way that I look at things. My whole system, I'm not crazy about this, okay. It could have worked. Very well could have worked. It didn't work. And not only didn't it work, look at what I did today. It basically did a daily buy setup. A gap down that triggered a daily buy setup because all these shorts got pushed up through this. And let's look at what happened when it opened. And again, when these things tend to fail, they tend to fail big time. And some people are looking at shorting them. And so what happens is it pushes all the shorts out through their stops that are shorting them, besides the people then that decide to buy it, okay? So this is a 15-minute chart. Look at this. Don't short this, ever. Never, 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 never. 3 green, huge, bullish bars, you don't short into that. Sometimes you can get a bar like this right away in the 15-minute on a gap down. If the gap's down really hard or something, you can get these, and then they hold and go. But 2 like this, after this one here, get off of it. Don't even consider shorting this. And this didn't even gap down that far, so it's completely invalidated after the opening. This only gapped down 50 cents, 40 cents. This was not a big gap down, okay? It still could have worked. It didn't. I don't know why it didn't. It just didn't, okay? I wasn't crazy about it, though, because of the location here. Anyways, you know what happened on this thing? This is the open. Huge swoosh in the opposite direction that you want your bias, so you don't take it. This is a reverse swoosh right here. Huge green, big, solid bullish bar. Do not short into this in any world, okay? People that shorted this here and put their stop over the high of the day got stopped out. You don't short this. And then you get this. You don't short this, okay? This is no shorting. This is too much green, too big of a green. This is not a rally, okay? Does everybody see the difference between a rally and what this is here? I hope that everyone does. And then see, look what happened. Whew, over the high of the day again, huge move, ends up doing a daily buy setup, okay? It's okay to look for this as a down gap if that's what you want to do. I didn't do it. I didn't like it. But if you wanted to watch it in the morning, fine. Do your thing. Watch it. But when you get this, stay away. Okay? Don't hurt yourself. You can wait and try to wait for a later time frame to take it to see what happens. But after you got this, you should have said, I'm waiting. After you got this, you should have said, I don't think this is going to work. And you should have never taken it. And then after went over the high of the day, there's no play here. Okay? Does everyone see the difference between this and what I just showed you on that Staples? This is very different here. Very different. This move happened in one big, huge bar. This move happened in 2 big, huge bars. Staples was a couple tiny bar rally. Like 3 bars. That's it. This is very different. So learn how to read what's going on here. Okay? So let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. This was a gap down failure. It was AMAT on August 16th. Thank you and have a good night.